Right. So I want to recap Friday, the trades that I missed. Um, and yeah, in general, how I missed out on upwards of $800 in profit on Friday. All right. So my trading window is from 9 a.m. I go into the market. What do I see? Check the 4 hour first. We have 4 hour SMTF with YM. Then the two inverse true changes in state of delivery from the monthly cycles SSMTs. So I won't use the 4 hour chart because it's a bit confusing me. Um, then we go on to the 1 hour. What I instantly see is that the true change in state of delivery is holding of the weekly from Thursday. Um, then second thing, right here, true day open. Oh, true day open right here. No manipulation above. 1 hour fair value gap. That is also a SMTF. So instantly see some bullish signals and see nothing bearish. And we drop down to the 15 minute. The true day open, true changes in state of delivery. So we had first a bearish one. We formed a true change in state of delivery on this candle. Then we formed a bullish one, change in state of delivery, inversed it on this down close candle right here. And then we went back up and we inversed the first true change in state of delivery for the daily cycle. Why not here? Because we failed to close above. The other candle only opened above and didn't close. All right, so instantly we're seeing bullish signals. We're respecting the true changes in state of delivery from both sides. So now what do? I just wait for my time window, which is the 90 minute. 90 minute cycle from 9 to 10:30 and look for SSMT and true changes in state of delivery. That's all I look for. Now, what happens? Instantly, with YM, what do we see? SSMT also swing divergence. Then what happens? True change in state of delivery. Now, I wasn't on the charts because I didn't want to trade that day because I was going to my friend's house and so on and so forth. So the trade would have looked something like that or like that, but here's just like lower R, so maybe partial is there. So I would have needed to enter with 1 NQ or like 15 micros. I'm not able to do that. But for the sake of this, usually I wait for a reaction from a change in state of delivery. We got that right after we tapped it. Zero drawdown. Stop loss goes below the slow. Take profit at the previous micro cycle high, 90-minute high. Take profit partial right here with break even, and then we just ran higher. Now, what happened after is we formed a true change in state of delivery to the downside. Keep in mind, we have hella bullish signatures. Also, what I forgot to mention is this PRC, that is a PSP on Dow. So instantly I see no bearish in here instead of like, except for the fact that we're in the premium. So what happens next? We kind of stall, and on this candle, no, on the next one, we form an inverse true change in state of delivery. Now this is 11 minutes from New York Open, but if you really wanted to, you could have limited here, but your stop would be quite low and you would need to target through the open because for a decent RR, so stop right here, targeting through the open would be 2.55. So that means getting in here, bottom tick entry to the tick again, could move your stop to like, I don't know, right here. Then I don't know, it's just a bit harder to do it, and then price just ran here, took out take profit. Then what happened after is we retested the inverse true chain state of delivery, then we formed another one. Now what happened with this one, a bit of a wider stop, still could target through the open, but now it's just lower R, and New York open is in 2 minutes. You would get tagged in right here, and you would hit take profit within the first minute of market open. So this is just in general my strategy and how I missed out on a 7 RR trade. I mean, about a 4 RR with all the partials and whatnot. But yeah, it's as simple as that. High time frame cracks, so 4 hour SMTF, 4 hour PSP means that we'll probably deliver from it. 1 hour didn't give us anything. 15-minute true changes in state of delivery getting confirmed, and SSMTs getting confirmed, forming SMTFs. I mean, it just doesn't get easier than that. And we kind of kept running for the whole day, and then we stalled around a bit later. And here we also see another true change state of delivery entry, but now you wouldn't have had a target. So yeah, 12 is like when I officially hop off charts for good. So it's just as simple as that. Main draw on liquidity was the lack of manipulation or true day open, and look how it got respected. This is it. This is the quarterly theory breakdown, and I'm out.